How long does it take to get into ketosis? The time in which it takes to get into ketosis depends on a number of factors, such as calories consumed or the amount of exercise performed. But when following a strict nutritional ketogenic diet plan, in conjunction with exercise, one should begin to enter ketosis within 36 hours. A deeper level of ketosis can take much longer. Often termed keto-adaptation, full ketosis can typically be achieved within 8 to 14 days, provided no cheat meals were consumed. Hope you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below if you need additional help. And don't forget to hit the like button.